So how many of you are aware of the usage of a passcard? Yes, can you tell me, are you aware of the usage of a passcard? First of all, again, I'm showing you what's in a passcard. Can you see the passcard? I'm showing it on the camera. Is it visible? Is the passcard visible on the camera?
Yes.
Okay. What is it showing you? It is showing you a diagrammatic presentation of the accounting standard. So just like how we have a study text and a revision kit, there is a passcard, which is a small book like this, and it contains some, how many pages? Some 120, 140 pages, 130, 140 pages are there in this. It's a diagrammatic presentation. Now, many people, when we study, if we look at diagrams, I'm sure that we remember concepts quite easily with the diagrams. So you will find diagrams in the form of a flow chart. You'll find a concept-based diagram. Okay. So a pass card helps you in remembering things quickly. Second, a pass card will also help you to remember your concepts, in the sense that just before your exam, if you want to have a quick recap of what you studied, you can just go through the pass card. One standard would take maybe 2 or 3 pages. So you can quickly read it and revise your concepts. And while revising, when you're studying also, after you finish your topic, you could even note down on your pass card that, okay, I need to re-look at these questions because I found it difficult. Just write down the question number with pencil or something. So before your exam, you can look at the pass card, go to that particular question, revise it, and get your concept clear. Third reason why you use a pass card is use of terminology. Now in your exam, you need to use certain terminologies, which is IFRS specific and many may not be aware of. So when you keep on reading it through this, your terminologies will be perfect. So that is why, please all of you, I suggest use your pass cards for this purpose. Now, if you don't know what's a pass card, this is a book that is along with a study text and a revision kit, which is also can be bought by you. So you can get in touch with Abhishek from the EduYash team. You can put the message through the group. He will be in touch with you and he will make arrangements for you to get the book. Okay. So if anyone is interested, please